is Rebecca. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you this layout titled All Smile that I made for My Creative Scrapbook using March main kit, and I was inspired by the sketch of the month. The sketch used square photos, but I changed it to circle and use one of the exclusive cut files you can find with your membership to My Creative Scrapbook. For the background, I prepared the cardstock with clear gesso first, let it dry, and then I start adding blue paint. This blue paint is from Shimmer, the name is Write the Tide. When the paint was dry, I added some paint splatters. Now I'm adding some texture randomly around the area where the photos will be. I want them to be seen just a little, not too much. And I'm using a paste called Putting on the Glitz. It's by Shimmer, and I'm using a stencil by TCW. I will let this dry, and then I will come back with the photos and the cut files, and I'll be adding the paper on the side. The sketch called for one piece of paper. I'm adding two, and I'm distressing the edges. While distressing, I broke this paper, the pink one, but I will be using it this way. It doesn't matter because it can be seen when the page is finished. I glue everything with liquid adhesive. Sometimes you're going to see that I have some problems because the layout have mixed media, have gesso, paint, paste, so it makes it hard for adding the stuff to it, but after maybe 2 times it will get there. So I'm not be boring you with adding everything. You're going to see just some of the things that I added, but know that I use liquid adhesive. I'm using the stamp on the kit to create some leaves. I'm using vellum and gold embossing powder to create them. In the kit you are going to see a second stamp that is like a leaf, longer, maybe a branch, I don't know how to call it. I made it in black, but then after making the layout and looking at it, I didn't like how it looked, so out of camera I changed everything at the end for gold, and you're going to see that in the photos at the end. Here are the leaves. I'm going to fussy cut everything. I like to fussy cut, so sorry for those who doesn't like that. If you don't like to fussy cut, you can stamp directly in the layout or emboss directly, but I prefer this way because it gives me more opportunity to change things and add more textures and layers. And if I mess with the stamp, it can be seen because I just throw this piece away. Now I'm embellishing the layout by adding some chipboards from the kit and also the die cuts. I basically use all the most of the flowers in the kit, and I'm adding this piece that is clear with the gold title, also from the die cuts. And then you're going to see that I add the leaf that I prepared previously with the vellum. Before adding the flower there, I'm stamping the date, and then I'm using liquid glue to add everything to the layout. Now I'm adding the gold details. These are the black leaves that I mentioned that you're going to see in the photos at the end, that I changed them for gold. I want the photos to be the center of attention and not the black details, so I removed them and changed them for gold. Also, these leaves were added with liquid glue. At the end, I added some gold splatters using Shimmer's Minor 49er. Here are some close-ups of the layout, some photos. You can see that I changed and removed all the black and changed them for gold. I hope you like this project and it inspires you to create, so don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more inspiration, and visit mycreativescrapbook.com to see all the kits they offer each month. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day. Bye.